Gearbox noise. The goals and objectives of this case study are to analyze gearbox noise and perform order tracking analysis on a factory floor. Specifically, we want to use SoundViewer to locate where noise is emitting from a gearbox, estimating the corresponding sound power level, and perform order tracking analysis at any user's selected orders or their combinations. Here's the gearbox operating on a factory floor in the presence of very high background noise. Using SoundViewer, we can extract any orders or their combinations, eliminate the interference of background noise, identify the locations where gearbox noise at these orders are emitted, and determine the total sound power levels. Shown here are the results of source localization, sound power estimation, order tracking analysis, and playback the extracted gear matching noise under roundup conditions. The orders extracted are 26 and 52, and the total sound power level is 120.9 dB. Here are the results of the same orders under rundown conditions. The total sound power level is 120 dB, which is quite consistent with that during run-up conditions. Shown here are the results of source localization, sound power estimation, order tracking analysis, and playback the extracted gear meshing noise for orders 48 and 96 under run-up conditions. Similar results of these orders of gear meshing under rundown conditions are shown in this slide. Thank you for your attention. For more information, please contact Dr. Sean F. Wu at seanwu@signal-wise.com.